Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Galang Firdaus and I'm from class Quantitative Research on TEFL 5D. And here I'm gonna tell you about the last material at questionnaire that from my knowledge. The questionnaire is one of the quantitative collecting data method besides survey. In here, in questionnaire is kind of the typical collecting data by asking the question to the participant or respondent in some research that related to the topic. So the respondent can answer it with their opinion or their statement, anything else, or agree with it or disagree with it. It's about their perspective on the related research topic. So there are the two types of the questionnaire. First is descriptive questionnaire, which is collecting data by asking about how participant or respondent behavior into related topic that happened, that as the main point on the research, or their behavior on it. It could be their opinion or their statement relate to their experience. So it can produce no what is it? So they answer it by their behavior on some related topic in the research. The related topic that analyzes in the research. Another one is the analytical questionnaire. Analytical questionnaire is a questionnaire that asks participant about the relation between variable to the participant. Could be an effect, cause and effect, or connection, relationship, comparison, or something else like that. But is it depend to the relationship between the variable or the relationship the research to the participant? That can be analyzed. It can be analyzed into the form number, or they disagree or agree or not, like that. Okay, so there are some the type of data measurement scale. First is a nominal. Nominal scale is as the name is nominal. So means we don't need the number to explain about the to measure data from the participant. Usually it is coming after the open-ended question that usually a nominal scale is related to the open-ended question, which don't need numerical form to measure the data, measure the research data. Another one is ordinal scale measurement. Ordinal scale is opposite from the nominal scale. Ordinal scale is that measurement research data by using a number. For example, as number 1 disagree until number 5 strongly agree. Could be like that. Usually ordinal scale is related to the Likert type questionnaire. I think it's all the participants that choose between number 1 until number 5, from strongly disagree until strongly agree. And another one is the interval scale data. Interval scale data is usually asking about the mean or the middle number of some collecting data. For example, like weight in class 5D between 50 kilos until 100 kilos. So which one is from number 50 kilogram until 100 kilogram? Which one is more appear in the data measurement? Another one is the last one is the ratio data. Ratio data usually count measure data is from a zero number. It's usually is a weight or depend to the data like to measure a temperature. Yes, the flash temperature or body temperature is to measure the temperature. Fahrenheit, Celsius, from the 0 Celsius till 50 Celsius. Okay, now it's the last one, and the other one is some question that provide in the questionnaire. The question could be an open-ended question, like I said, is non-numerical data. Open-ended question can widely answered by participant or respondent because it's asking about their experience or their opinion, or something like that. And also the close-ended question. Close-ended question is just only two answers, yes or no. For example, like are you sleeping? Just answer it, yes, I'm sleeping, or no, I'm not sleeping. No, I'm not sleeping. Could be like that. Another one is after close-ended there are multiple choice question. Multiple choice question is like A, B, C, D. So the participant or respondent can choose which one from A, B, C, D that they want to answer it with their opinion. That same with their opinion about the related research topics. And another one is the Likert type question. Likert type question, like I said before, is related to the ordinal scale data measurement. Likert scale is something like Likert scale is from agree, strongly disagree. Yeah, like it. For something like 1 described as the strongly disagree until the 5 strongly agree. This is data measurement by interval Likert type questionnaire. Okay, the answer from questionnaire the answer from questionnaire could be opinion or respondent knowledge that based on fact, or like a statement. That could be another answer for them. And also behavior can be as the answer for the research to the question. Okay, the last one is about the journal. Analyze the questionnaire, the instrument and journal. Okay, the journal is from I've read the journal, and especially in the part of instrument, they use questionnaire as an instrument, but the type of questionnaire in here is analytical questionnaire because they analyze the relation between the variable at there. Online support teacher group into a teacher efficiency. So I think the relation between the online teaching group into teacher efficiency in Facebook. So I think the dependent is the relation is from the relation between independent and dependent variable. The questionnaire in here is there are the three section questionnaire. That the first section is the open-ended questionnaire, which use nominal scale, which use nominal scale for measurement. And I think it's because it was in the first section is asking about the biodata of participant that joined. Could be name, email, birth date, age, gender, something else like that. So it's considered to be nominal scale data measurement, and the question must be open-ended question, because you can ask it widely anything you want ask in there. Okay, the second section is the liquor type questionnaire, which is both of them all is an analytical questionnaire, of course. But in section number 2 is a liquor type. So it's asking is from number 1 strongly disagree until the number 5 strongly agree. Which one the participant like to answer is about the Facebook use to the self-efficacy for a teacher, and it use ordinary scale data as a measure to measure data collection, because it's like I said, the ordinary scale of course is related to the liquor type questionnaire. And the third section also same. Third or the last section is the same like second section, is liquor type questionnaire, but this one is asking more, because there are 26 items in this one and this last section, but in second section only 15 items, but the same liquor type questionnaire. But only different is just the asking about the providing and Facebook use online group for a teacher efficiency. So this is asking by one is not true all the time until the number 5 is true all the time. So it's about asking the support, receiving and providing online social support to the teacher efficiency. So I think the questionnaire in this journal is analytical questionnaire, because it's analyze the relation between the variable, independent and dependent variable, that about the online social support online teacher groups to teacher self-efficacy during learning process. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you very much. If there's something wrong, feel apologize for that. As a human being, mistake is usual, because because I'm in the process of the learning right now. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.